Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to configure Node Exporter in your Linux machine. Basically, Node Exporter used allow you to measure various machine resources such as memory, disk and CPU utilization. So let's go guys. Here is my CentOS 7 and previously I'm configured Prometheus in the same machine. So first of all I need to download tarball file for the sorry guys. Okay, here is the link from the download node exporter. So I'm just download version 0.18.1 from the wget command. Okay, node exporter is going to download soon. Okay, done. Here is the my node exporter. So I need to extract done node exporter. First of all I need to copy node exporter from the USR local bin. Change the ownership docker underscore exporter Prometheus node. See the guys. Okay, and second is I need to modify my Prometheus configuration file. Here it is. Location is this. Okay. Job name, code, single quote, node exporter, scrap underscore interval 5 second. Static configs target I need to check my system IP. My IP is 192.168.0.150. 192.168.0.150 and node exporter port is 9100. So configuration is done. Save and exit. I need to check the syntax is proper or not. Check config. Okay, and proper copy the location. Okay, there is some error and the marshal is also give scrap interval. Okay. Uh, yeah, syntax is properly working. Second is, third is create a service file. First, we need to check the Prometheus syntax. Okay. Okay. Create node underscore exporter dot service. Hit enter. Paste. Unit description node exporter wants equal to network hyphen online dot target. All the syntax is correct. System daemon reload and start node. Yeah, it's working now. Let me check the status. Yeah, working. So I'm just type curl http localhost 9100 matrix. I hope the matrix is spelled good. Yeah. Show me the all the matrices properly visible and check on browser. Uh-oh. 1900 matrix. See. So I need to check on my base machine because the previous video in Prometheus there is something in issue in the browser when I am able to log in the Prometheus. So I'm just open my base machine browser 192.168. 150. Okay, first we need to restart Prometheus service. So now let's go, guys. Okay, now all is correct. Is state is up. Okay, and go. Show me the graph. Here it is. So I need to check one more things. 9100. Maybe port is not open in firewall. Let me check. List all. Okay. Permanent add port 9100/TCP systemctl. Oh, sorry. Firewall cmd -- reload. Again check. It's there. Now refresh the browser. See the guys. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query related for the Prometheus and node exporter, so please comment it out. Bye and take care guys. Please subscribe my channel.